What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today we're going to be talking about the November 2022 Nomadik Box. So stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, this is the November 2022 Nomadik Box. Now, Nomadik did send me this box for free to open and unbox for you guys. I paid for a subscription to Nomadik and did videos on them. So Nomadik sent me some boxes to go over with you guys a little bit early, so you get a little sneak peek if you have the subscription. So you can sign up for 1, 6, or 12-month subscription with Nomadik. They have an ironclad guarantee, which means if we open this and we already have something that's in this box, broken, damaged, doesn't work, all we got to do is reach out to Nomadik. They'll replace that item for free. Prices, it's going to run you, if you do 1 month, it's going to run you around $32, $33. If you stretch it out to 12 months, it's going to drop it down to about $29 per box. You can skip any month, meaning if you're going to be out of town around the time that it delivers, you can say, hey, don't send me that box. Let's pick back up the next month, and they'll do that. No problem, no questions asked. You just tell them you want to skip a month. This is the November 2022, so let's just dive in and see what we have here. So we're going to be using the Swiss Army, the Victorinox Swiss Army Bantam, and let's go with the big blade on this bad boy and see what Nomadik sent us this month. Keep that handy if we need it. Just dive in here. All right, so we have our pamphlet here. Every month is themed. This is Trek Farther. Really cool pictures always. These things always have some really cool imagery on them, really cool pictures. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different items in this box. Have a Nomadik challenge, which is you get 1 month to complete that. Nomadik tips always relates to the theme of the box. And then if you fold it over here, you get let us know if we have any problems, anything damaged. Got that right there. And then on the very back side, you have a link to the website, which I'll have in the description below. And you have some brand discounts, which usually relates to items or brands that are in the box. So let's see what we have. Let's just grab the first thing we get. Hero clip. So a hybrid gear clip. It's the mini. It's got a 40-pound max load. This is from Gear Aid. As you can see on the picture there, they've got it clipped to a water bottle and it hanging. So it'll just hang. It's got a rubber, it's got a little rubber foot there. So you can clip this on, looks like anything. It's rotates. Oh yeah, see, it rotates all different kinds of ways and it will just hang. So solid aluminum, 360-degree rotation. It'll also rotate right here, like so, 360-degree rotation. Folds, hanging hook, rubber foot, clip closure, and solid aluminum. Hang water bottles, towels, helmets, mugs. Pretty cool. So you can clip anything on there. I can see a lot of uses for this while hiking, say to dry a towel, to dry your shoes. I mean, you could hang your shoes from that to let them dry, anything. So that's really cool. Gear Aid has some amazing items, amazing products. Let's see what we have next. Still something big, so let's just go with it. Keep Nature Wild Fanny Pack. All right. So let's check this out. So it looks like we have 2 pockets, one just basic and a bigger pocket with a smaller little zipper pocket in there. Looks like just an average fanny pack. Let's see, together we pick up 1 pound of trash for every product sold. Our mission is to build community by picking up trash outside. Keep Nature Wild. Pretty cool. I did purchase a fanny pack a while back for hiking to give me better access to some stuff. Quick access items that I wouldn't want to take my pack off to get to. So that's really cool. I do like that for hiking. I don't know about everyday use. I might not be a fanny pack wearer, but you know what? They are pretty cool. and useful. So there that is. Let's see. We have here zipper lubricant. All right, yes, I can definitely see plenty of use for that. It's kind of like a chapstick, just rolls out there. Plenty of use for that. If we've done anything outdoors, we've always had or all had a zipper, at least one zipper that has given us problems and needed a little bit of lubricant. That is what that is for. Perfect, love that. And who is this from? Gear-Aid. I said Gear-Aid has some great products. That's one of them. I love me some Gear-Aid stuff. And we should have one thing left. We have here hydrate. All right, so a hydration mix to help stay hydrated. This one's lemon lime. One electrolyte drink mix, 0.25 ounces. Where water meets wellness, the brand is Hydrant. So there you go. Do we not have a sticker? We don't have a sticker this month. All right, now I'm upset. No sticker. No sticker this month. But there's Nomadik. This is the November 2022 box. Some pretty useful stuff. I think I definitely could find plenty of uses for the zipper lubricant. Hydration, you can never go wrong with a drink mix. Never go wrong with a drink mix. I can see plenty of uses for this for hiking and camping. Definitely a must-have. It's going in my pack. And then the fanny pack. I mean, I see plenty of uses for this while hiking or camping, just to keep gear and stuff readily available to you. So yes, a fanny pack. I'll try to see if I can find links to all of this stuff and put in the description below, but there will be a link to Nomadik. You can definitely get over there and check them out. Highly recommend you going and checking out Nomadik. Either way, whether you subscribe or you just want to peruse the website, see what they have. At one point, you were able to go on and buy old boxes if you didn't have a subscription and you just wanted to purchase a single box because you saw it had some cool stuff in it. Then you could go do that. They say every box has a $50 value. I try, sometimes I'm not able to, but I try to look up prices, and even if I can't put you a link to it, at least get you a price for the items in there to get a ballpark. I'd say with the fanny pack and the hanger thing, we're definitely looking at $30 at minimum, but I'll do my best to try to get some prices on that. So if you've got any questions about Nomadik, drop them in the comments below. I've been basically a subscriber to Nomadik for a very long time. Love their stuff. There have been some boxes that I think are a little bit below par, but for the most part, average box is really well worth the money. So go check it out, and if you have any questions, let me know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit that like button. If you found anything in this video useful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And yeah, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.